Patrice.
Magog is a charming city in southeastern Quebec, about 120 kilometers east of Montreal. It is beautifully situated where three water bodies meet, Lake Memphremagog, the Rivière aux Cerises, and the Magog River. With the stunning Lake Memphremagog and surrounding mountains, Magog is a picturesque destination. The first people to live in this area were the Abenaki, who often visited Lake Memphremagog and its waterways. White settlers arrived in 1776, coming from nearby Vermont. They initially called the area the Outlet because of the water flowing from the lake into the Magog River. Throughout the 20th century, Magog's economy was mainly driven by the textile industry. However, in the 1960s and 1970s, the city started to diversify, focusing more on tourism and services. The name Memphremagog comes from the Abenaki, meaning large expanse of water or vast lake. The name Magog is thought to be a shorter version of the lake's name, but some believe it may have biblical origins or refer to an ancient city with the same name. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Magog, Quebec. The story of St. Patrice Church starts in 1841 when the first Catholic Mass was held in a house. Between 1859 and 1861, Irish pioneers built the first chapel, known as the Outlet Chapel. In 1855, the Bishop of St. Hyacinthe began sending a regular missionary to the Outlet Mission. On July 10, 1861, the bishop blessed the chapel's bell, made in Troy, Vermont. This bell now resides at the Notre Dame de la Confiance Chapel in Snug Harbor. As the parish grew, a larger church was needed. In 1886, builder Theodore Lemaire started work on the foundation of the new church. By 1893 to 1894, the main part of the church was finished, designed by architect J.B.B. Verrett. In the winter of 1948, a fire destroyed the presbytery. The current presbytery, which has been modified over the years, once housed the Ursuline Sisters and is now a youth hostel. In 1954, a chapel and additional rooms were added, designed by architect Albert Poulin and builder Raoul Cabana. The Marian Chapel was initially for the English-speaking population's Mass and later hosted Anglican worship. Located in the heart of Magog, St. Patrice Church remains a vital part of the community, reflecting its architectural and heritage significance.